Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater here today with a video on the 2020 Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. This is an absolutely fantastic boat. Much more interior space for its size than you would think. Typically compares to 20 and 21 foot boats. This boat has the desert tan hull sides, very light tan. So let's step inside and take a look. Of course, this does feature the world-renowned Boston Whaler unsinkable construction, 100% foam filled and unsinkable. So we have bow cushions up front. Remove the forward portion to reveal a anchor locker. Have our trolling motor panel. Very easy to add an electric trolling motor on this boat. Under this cushion we have a full beam cooler. Easy enough to put a cobia or enough drinks for the family for a day. This boat also has the fishing package, so that features a padded cooler seat and backrest, rod holders, and an additional tackle storage on the side of the console. Full bimini top for plenty of sun coverage. And this boat is fully equipped with electronics, so it does have the Fusion head unit, JL audio speakers for a phenomenal sound system. Marine multifunction display, so that's a chart plotter and traditional depth finder. Leaning post cooler seat, so this faces forward or aft or in an upright position for standing while driving, and underneath is a 15-gallon blue gel coated live well. Plenty of cockpit space in this boat, absolutely huge for a 19 foot. More JL audio speakers in the back, and we do have the optional stern seating package in this boat, so very comfortable seats, and powered by a Mercury 150 horse 4-stroke outboard. Gets you into the mid to upper 40s with smooth and quiet, reliable power. If you'd like more information on this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-518 or 218-1523. So give us a call, and if you'd like to see this boat in person, set up a demo, or see any of the inventory we have in our indoor showroom. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you on the water soon.